In this video, we're going to be replacing the tailgate support cable on this 2005 Honda Element. The process is going to be the same for both sides. So our support cable here on both sides is going to be secured in the top or in the inside to the vehicle with a 10 millimeter. And if you follow it straight down, there's going to be another 10 millimeter down here. When replacing these, replace a side at a time. Don't replace them both at the same time, meaning don't take these both off left and right at the same time. Do one at a time. So we'll remove this side first, give me a 10 mil. And your new support cable is going to come with new hardware. We can set that aside. And now if we follow our cable straight down to the tailgate side, we have another 10 millimeter here. Take that out. Again, our new cable is going to come with new hardware, so we can discard all of this. So now your new cable, we're going to locate this pin and the bolt. And with our 10 millimeter, tighten that down. Okay, now we can come up top. Now we come up to the top and line up our bolt. Start that by hand and drive it home with our 10. Now from here, what you want to do is make sure that there's a little play in there. Check the operation. You want to make sure the cable folds down like so and not in. Usually if your cable's folding in, there's a problem with this not pivoting. If everything looks good, you can move on to the other side if you're going to do two. If not, you're all done.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.